Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. So, today we are going to set up an avatar. So, we're going to go to settings and then account, and then there's a little thing here called avatars. You can select your skin tone. So, I'm just going to create a random one. Um, Here we go. Hairstyle. So, it actually accounts for all ages, and that's it's really great, to be honest, because it doesn't limit the age group in using Instagram. Obviously, you have to be 13 plus to create an account and whatever, but these avatars are catered for everyone. So you can pick your face shape and stuff. I'm not sure why there's like a blush color on the face, but yeah, we'll carry on with that. Face lines, eye shape. You can look through all of them if you want to. Just doing a quick demonstration. So obviously you just can make your avatar however you want to look like you. There's also a little button underneath the done button. There is a button there where if you press it, it will scan your face and create an avatar to look like you. But I won't be going through that in this video. I was trying to find some sunglasses. There, there's like a Batman, like, well, not Batman, but like trying to be like superhero sort of IPs. So I thought here like the lens color would like darken, but there isn't anything there, which is quite disappointing, to be honest. So I'll remove those classes. You can choose the size of your nose, shape of your nose, etc. And then also there's nose piercings that you can pick from. Change the shape of your mouth. Some facial hair. I think you could create some really cool avatars from the options that you are given on here, to be honest. I think that's really cool. Body shape. You can make yourself quite muscular if you wanted to. And then there's outfits that you can pick from automatically. It's quite a cool disco outfit, and then ones in shirts, etc. Some wacky coloured shirts. That's quite nice. And then once you've picked an outfit, you can go on to stuff like hearing aids and stuff like that, earrings, headwear. I'm disappointing that there was no headphones in the headwear section, which I think they should add, because I think it's Snapchat Bitmojis. You can have headphones and stuff, which I think is quite key. I think they should add that. Um, can get the color right. I'll pick a blue hat. Can put in some earrings or hearing aid devices. That's really cool. So that is my quick avatar. I still don't know how to get rid of the blush, but it's just a demo video anyway, so that doesn't matter. If you know how to do that, please drop a comment down below. Overall, I am very happy with the starting avatars built into Instagram now. However, some of the features that I mentioned before, such as the headwear with the headphones, needs to be added in a future update. Hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment down below for more content coming soon. Peace.